everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. And today we are on day 7 of our Actions for Happiness Challenge. It is January, the year 2021, and today's happiness challenge is to learn something new and share it with others. That's all you got to do, one little thing. It can be a vocabulary word, it can be a fun fact, it could be, I don't know, something nutrition related, it could be health related, it could be exercise related, it could be mindset related, it could be anything you want it to be. It could be a new recipe, it could be something about fashion. Take some time today, learn something new, and share it with others. That is the happiness tip for today. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. And just as a reminder, if you know anyone who is struggling to get and stay healthy, I am a board-certified health and wellness coach in private practice in Frisco, Texas. You can learn more about me and my services at friscofitcity.com.